All right, I got to buzz through my homework tonight, and so welcome to PreciseAlgorithmTrading.com. This is Dave, and let's get through this because it's a late night. I did some retooling a little bit today. I don't know if I'm going to stick with it, but I might. The TrueMomo indicator was its own animal, and I've included the colors of the squeeze indicator into it. I did that just across the middle uh, for the last month or so, and I really want to know when the momentum is turning down, which is really what happens when you get these blue arrows. But now I've just turned it into a histogram, and the literally these the green up and the red down is the prevailing trend, if you ask me. But then we've got some back and forth with some momentum that's happening inside the colors, the red here and the yellow here. So I'm going to be pairing up the green arrows with the yellow and the light blue um, bars, and obviously using the squeeze and overbought and oversold conditions. As far as these overbought and oversold territories, they do work. So you can see actually right now, while we've been in this big month-long sideways pattern, you know, yeah, the oscillator's gone up. It came up from well underneath here, and then it went sideways, and that's when all this blue sideways action really took place. Now we've pulled down. We had a buy signal, and then we had a sell signal in today's candle, which is, now we've got tomorrow's building, but we're above the moving average up here, and we also have a yellow indication that's here on the TrueMomo indicator, which is really from the squeeze. So momentum is still sideways. I mean, that's the way I read that, and I'm also going to leave this indicator up here, um, the EMA 8 and EMA 21 cross is what that is. Nothing magical about it except it's something that a lot of our systems are based off of. Although I really do think that my red trade scan indicator is better. I think this is maybe it's. I know it's better for algorithmic trading as far as like automatic stuff. At least it is for the way I've built it. But this is more visual, so I'm getting something out of just watching that. So, and when you're doing a daily chart and you don't really have to make split second decisions like you do in automatic trading, I think visual makes a bigger difference. So, okay, so that's the S&P 500, and it has gone sideways, and now we're still red, and but I just kind of went through. We're green here, and we got bullish condition as far as momentum potential down, for the TrueMomo indicator. So it's just sideways, and it's continuing to be sideways till we break out of this zone. Is the way I see it. The Russell did break out in the last 2 days. It's green as of Monday's candle, and now Tuesday's is starting to form, and it's red. The This indicator is red, obviously in the middle, and then we've got bullish momentum, but we're in a squeeze on the TrueMomo indicator. The Dow is down, has been down, continues to be down. Although we have a bullish indication on the weekly chart now, as of one day in. That's just Monday. And then the NASDAQ continues to really grind higher. Excuse me. Excuse me. The Russell, I'm sorry, oil here is down, and we're trying to build, I think, a base that's probably not the new higher low. I'm expecting some kind of a tail here, but we do have. I mean, you could just read it for yourselves, guys. It's red here. It's starting to be yellow on the TrueMomo indicator. It's still red on the weekly on both both indicators, and the color bars are red too. So the industrials, that's interesting, have kind of held up here. They're not really popping, but they're still going sideways, kind of along with the Dow. Under the hood, look up the bullish percent indexes. Here's the NYA, up about 1% today. Transports probably didn't move. The NASDAQ, up 2.3% today. That's a big deal. The SPX, up 1.6. So we're seeing some under the hood bullish activity going on here. Here's the NDX, added an X, 1.82% today, and the OEX up 3.7%. So that is interesting. That's actually propping up the potential that we have a rally going on here. I mean, it's under the hood again. And I guess I wouldn't call it a rally. It's bullish action. I think that just supports the idea of potentially eventually breaking out to the upside. So here's the YM. That's the Dow futures contract. It's been going down here in the last few days. We got a little bit of prop up there, but then no love. This is it on a 6-month chart. Pretty good. This is the winner today. It's the Russell, and this is the quarterly contract. Really, that's those two trades. There's I think two trades there today, maybe three. To take you from 4,000 to 11,000, I'll take it. And that's what it looks like, on the bigger picture. And then the NASDAQ has been walking sideways. It feels more down, but after you get this pop, this is just sideways action. That's all there is. And this is what it looks like on the 6 months, so it is just fine. Can we look back here and see another time when it has consolidated this much and then broken one way or the other? I don't see it. Maybe that right there. Maybe that right there. And so can we expect it to go down before it goes up? Yeah, probably. Try to shake people out. That is what these things do. So that's what I got for the night, guys. And I'm going to let you go. Have a great night. Take care. Good trading tomorrow.